Hello viewers, welcome to my channel to advertisement video and notification lani ase. Etila ase advertisements. Nagala Universities, a central university established by as Act of Parliamentary number 35 to 1989 ase. It is a CV from interested candidates indicating the details of educational qualifications and experience are invited for engagements of one guest. Facility in the Department of Chemistry at Nagaland University Lamani. Honorariums payable shall be Rs 1,500 per lectures and Rs 50,000 per month. Max for this does with PhD degree and Rs 1,000 per lectures, subject to the maximum of Rs 25,000 PM for those without PhD NAT. Only qualifications and other details are available at the university website.com dinasa. Tapi dengan ভাল বা contact lebih itu nikah আছে আপনি kan জানিব পাৰিব তো এইটো তাকে আছে আপনি kan এতিয়া আছে notification আছে Government of Nagaland Office of the Assistant Registers of Comparative Society Kohima Nagaland pursuant to the provisions of sections 92 to read with sections 82 and 83 of the Cooperative Section Act 2017 non-functioning and dormant cooperative society within the districts have been identified. The cancellation. The list of such society has been displayed on the office notice board, and copies have been dispatched to the respective society via registered post. Accordingly, any listed society may submit a written appeal for the rebuilds of its functioning to this office within 1 month from the date of this notification. Failure to the response within the specific period will result in recommendations for cancellation to the registers of Cooperative Society in Nagaland. These notifications shall come within a mandated effective dinasa. Tapi kan saya bisa bawa itu notification last year dengan kami. Itulah advertisement last year Government of Nagaland Directors of Health and the Family Welfare. Applications are invited for eligible candidates for the post of economics dance at the Medical College Mon. The details of the qualification, experience, pay, skills, applications forms, etc. may be obtained from the website Dinasa. Fill application form along with 2 copies of attested documents should be submitted of the office by mail, hand, post on or before 29 August 25, 3 p.m. As indicated in the application form, the solicited candidates will be intimated for further intersection dinasa. तो ये भी अपने खान करने एडवर्टाइजमेंट আছে तो বেশি ভাল পাবনি খান চাই লবি আর কেনেকা হলি আছে আৰু আপনি খান मला ভিডিও খুশি পাইলে প্লিজ লাইক সাবস্ক্রাইব और शेयर কৰি দিবি।